Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use Git in very basic tutorial, and also we are going to use a Bitbucket platform to work. So we are going to create a repository. So we go to Bitbucket and then we create our repository. Okay, in this case it's going to be test, the name of our repository. So we create it, and then we are going to get this link. So we copy, and then we go to the directory in which we are going to work. In this case is this named tutorial. So we get like console here, git bash. So and just we paste the link and just click on enter. And now it's cloning from Bitbucket, and now we have our repository in our local environment. I am going to explain how it is efficient to work in Git. So, well, first we go to our repository. We are already here. This is the directory, but here it says that we are on the branch master, but it is not correct to work on master for all our deliveries. So it is more efficient if we work on develop, and each part of the team or the project you can create a new branch. I'm going to explain it. Master is the father of the branch. The son is develop, and in develop, all the team members merge all their work that they did. But they can do what they can do to have a better and efficient way to work on Git. They can create a branch with its functionality name. So in that case, it is more secure, and the project it's easier to solve problems merging or losing information, because you have all the requirements done in a branch, in a new branch, so you can't lose information. Well, we are going to do it in practice, and now we are going to create a branch named developed. So here we created our branch develop, and then for example, I have here my project that I had, so I'm going to paste it here. Now we have here our project. So what I want to do is to upstream this branch, so I'm going to do it. So with git add, it is going to add any file or modified any new file modified. So then we have to do a commit. The commit, what it does is to identify our change in our local directory to the repository. So we write a message like first master, and here it added all these files. So now I am going to upstream the 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 master branch. This command only you have only to do it one time, and then it is declared that we have our master branch declared. So we can go to the repository, and we can see that already the branch is mastered. So here, if we write git branch, it says that we already have master. So we go to our repository. So here you can see that that there is master. So how we are going to work is to work on develop. It's recommended to that any change, any important change you want to do is in you have to work on develop, and then when all the project and in each phase is already done, you merge it with master, and then you well then I am going to create a develop branch, and we are going to work there. So when we create a new branch, this info from this branch, these all files are going to go to the new branch that we are going to create. So we go to our branch. Okay. So here, to create a new branch, you have to write this command, git checkout -b, and the name of our branch. So in this case, going to be develop. So now we already created this new branch. Here, there are all the files that we already created in master. We already uploaded, so we can see them with ls command. But we have to upstream already this branch also. So I'm going to write it. Origin develop. And now our branch is already upstream, so we can work. It is efficient to work on develop, and then when we already check out all the project, and all the project it's in well conditions, so good conditions, so we could merge it to master, as I already said. But we could um, work in our branch. Each member of the project could have a branch, his own branch, and with the name of our requirement, functional requirement, or user story. So it is recommended to work in that form, because we can't lose information of our project, or also it's more easy to see in which part of the project we are. So now, for example, I'm going to write to create a new branch, and it's going to be named well we create our new branch. So for example, I'm going to name it like Luis, the name of our functionality or user story. So this example is going to name it like example, and then we are going to upstream this branch. So as we can see, we already have 3 branches. In this case, master is the father of develop. Develop is the father of Luis example. So we work there and we write our changes. So if for example, I don't know, if here well here for example, if I write a comment like example, and then I don't know, I change some condition here, like I'm going to copy this twice, so you can see what happens when we merge. And now, well, we are going to upload this to our local branch, but first we are going to add the files that locally were changed. Now we do the commit. Okay. It says that there's the same. Okay. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this. I didn't save it, so commit. Now I'm going to upload all the information to our repository. So now it is uploaded. So there were not problem doing that. So now we are going to merge it with develop. Now I am going to go to develop, and you are going to see that this info is not going to be there. Like we go to develop. Here it says we are in develop, and as you can see there, this is not, and as the same as example branch, and also this info is not here. What we are going to do is to pass all the info from example to here. So we are going to merge it, and we are going to write the name of our branch, in this case example, and it says that we have these problems. So we are going to do a git status, and it is say that the file that were modified was views, this file so views py. So now we are going to do the commit. Git push, and then it is already merged, so we can see in cases that there were a lot of changes. You can choose if you want to keep the the info from your own uh, branch or the new branch. So you have to verify and to check what is the correct option. So basically, this is how you work on Git. Uh, Also, for example, if you are working and I don't know, if you want to change to another branch, and I don't know, I delete this command, this line, sorry. Uh, you just do a git. If I do a checkout, I am not going to do it because it is not possible. For example, I'm going to go to master. It said me that I have to do a commit to save the local changes, right? So I can do a git stash to save the changes and change a new branch. And then it is already saved, and now I can go to another branch. And yeah, and I master. So basically, this is a basic tutorial of how to work in Git. So thank you.